Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the built-in antivirus on your Windows 11 or 10 PC to allow for specific software installations or troubleshooting. Step 1. Open Windows Security. Everything related to your PC's built-in protection is managed within the Windows Security Hub. Click the Start menu, type Windows Security, and hit Enter. Once the app opens, click on the Virus and Threat Protection tile on the main dashboard. This is the control center for Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Step 2. Manage your settings. You need to navigate past the scan options to reach the actual toggle switches for the antivirus engine. Under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings header, click the blue link that says Manage Settings. This page contains all the real-time sensors Windows uses to monitor your files. Before you proceed, scroll down and find Tamper Protection. Switch this to Off first. Otherwise, Windows might automatically revert your changes for security reasons. Step 3. Toggle Real-Time Protection. This is the main switch that controls whether Windows is actively scanning for threats. Locate the Real-Time Protection toggle at the top of the list and switch it to Off. This is a temporary disablement. Windows is designed to automatically turn real-time protection back on after a short period or upon a system restart to ensure you stay protected. And that's pretty much it. To turn off your antivirus in 2026, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, and toggle Real-Time Protection to Off. Just remember that this is only temporary, so be sure to turn it back on as soon as you've finished your task to keep your PC safe. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.